You got the white lights in the front and you got red in the back. Red underglows underneath. What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I have the Arrma Talion EXV RTR. But today is about the Talion, but it's also the main thing is this light kit from Louies Fix-It. Yeah, the thing is, I got these lights from Louies Fix-It. He has an install video where y'all can check that out on YouTube. I'll put the links in the description below. But I contacted Lou. I said, "What's up, Lou? Talion is out," and I know you can make a light kit to make this thing pop more than what it does. So what Lou did is worked his magic, came up with this light kit, and it looks amazing. Has a video out for this, so you can check out the install video. Yeah, I got all this stuff on my hands from coloring that stuff in, got all this on my hands. Yeah, he has a whole video on how to install this. He got, I mean, that looks mean, very mean, man. Got the lens on there. You got the, yeah, I wrote it a little bit, people. Before I wrote it, that's why I got this little thing in there. I actually wrote it. But okay, this is the light fixture on this side. And then the back, let me unplug it on the back here. That looks crazy. I love how that look, man. Take note, Arrma. And here's the inside with the underglows. See how he got that wrapped on the inside. It looks so neat. It's so well put together, so neat. I plugged it in so I can cut the lights on so you can check that out. But this car looks mean as hell off the, I mean, I love the look of this car. And with them extra lights, the lights that's on there now, it gives it that more of aggressive look to it. Boom! Yo, look at that thing there, man. Got the underglow there. So what you have on here, you got the white lights in the front and you got red in the back. Red underglows underneath. I don't want it to glare too much in the camera, so I'm gonna just take a step back so you can check out that beautiful job that Louies Fix-It did. Big shout out to Louies Fix-It, major shout out. He makes light kits for a lot of Arrma cars. He does a great job. He's had good quality product. I stand by Louies Fix-It product. I stand behind him all the way. I'm gonna do a speed run with this car. I wanna bash it around on this video, but at the end of the video, I'm gonna do a night run because I wanted to do another speed run with this car. And I'm gonna also do a night run at the end of the video, so stay tuned to the end so you can see that night run. So I got batteries all charged up. I'm gonna load the cars up in the car. Be right back. Yeah, I'm out here now. I'm going to test the speed. Got that Louies Fix-It light kit on there, but this is basically a speed run. Got it all zeroed out. Stop. Read 3 miles an hour. I recalibrated it. I know I'm killing the battery doing that. I'm trying to wait for this slow ass car to come past. Gotta adjust the steering a little bit. Ooh, let's do another one. Yo, this thing is a rocket. Let's see what we got on that. That thing was moving. 75 miles an hour.
Fastest, boy.
It's kind of nerve-wracking though, but let's give it another shot. 75 miles an hour. Oh, let's read. See the lights now, but I want to save them for tonight. Don't want it to be hard on the battery. You got some range, but it is a little delay. Yeah, let's start that over. Yeah, that wasn't. Yeah, that thing looks mean as hell coming towards you. Let's check that speed real quick. Be right back. Survey says 74 miles an hour. That beats my 72 all day long. Yeah, I'm at a different location now, and oh, like a piranha. Yeah, let me stop. I want to do it off-road, but as you can see, if you can see down there, that car is in my way. So it kind of makes it hard for me to do anything. But my thing is I'm waiting for nightfall so I can run this car and, oh! These tires are not going to survive. Alright, we're going to do a little night run. Just a little quick spin up the driveway because it's nice and dark back here. Let y'all check that out. Now, this thing is bright, man. Take a trip down to the end of the driveway. They don't feel like walking over here. Yep. Oh, this thing is a beast. I want to get to an open intersection. Yo, you see them things a mile away, man. Told y'all I was gonna give y'all a night bash. This ain't doing no jumping. Maybe over these speed bumps, that's unnecessary. Oh, you almost lost it on that. Yo, Lou, you did your thing on this, man. Give y'all a nice little fast drive-by. Yeah, lights seem to be cool. Don't seem like they getting hot, nothing like that. Yo, these lights are epic. It's like people see me with my car and try to take off. Like, oh God. But yeah, back to these lights. You can see them a mile away. Yo, this thing is... Yo, these lights are crazy, man. This thing is beautiful with these lights on here. Lou did his thing on there. I'm gonna leave the link in the description below where you can pick these lights up at. Give Lou Fix It a major shout out for his awesome light kit. I know how to stop that from spinning like that. Yeah, but I'm gonna leave all that in the description below. Major shout out to Louis Fix It, as I said. Gets no better than this, man. Look at this. I hope you enjoyed that video. More coming soon with the Talion. I got a idea how to make it a little faster, so you stay tuned to that. Stay tuned. Check out Louis Fix It channel. And yeah, Talion ain't no joke, man. And I'm out. I think I did that already. You got the white lights in the front and you got red in the back. Red underglows underneath.